There's really only three reasons why to change from conventional building processes to new building processes. It's either better for our trades, it's better construction materials for the people who live in the homes, or it's a lower cost for the builder. And HercuWall really represents something that's all three. It's an improvement in the process to build homes so it's more accurate and you can use a lower skill trade. It certainly has the opportunity to be a high performance wall for a lower cost. And most importantly, from the buyer's perspective, it has the opportunity to be quieter, healthier, and more comfortable for the people that live in those homes.
When we receive those plans, we have to input our wall structure. We put in windows and doors through Revit, which is a 3D program, and we use that to schedule our openings and doors.
As a builder, we constantly try to differentiate ourselves in the marketplace so that we have a value proposition for the buyers. That among the 20 homes that are in the right zip code, that are at the right size or at the right price point, that we can offer them something that is better than their other choices. HercuWall offers us an opportunity to build a more consistent, more durable, more healthy, more disaster resistant, more energy efficient home than using conventional building materials, and represents a big step forward from a builder's perspective to deliver quality to buyers that they don't have in the marketplace today. HercuWall is different. It does require us to work with our supply chains, work with our trades, work with our engineering teams to look at home construction in a slightly different way. Change does require some work. The good news is that there's benefits that greatly compensate the work necessary to change because you're improving. It's like asking somebody, is a calculator better than Abacus? Yes. Does it work differently than Abacus? Yes. But it's still the right thing to do because of the great performance and the great functionality that it enhances building in order to drive towards that change.
The process here in the manufacturing plant starts when drafting is finished doing their panel layout. They send over the panel layout to us over here for us to take the panels and nest them into blocks of foam that we use to cut panels out of. The panels are all numbered in sequential order. And that's how we produce them and that's how we install them.
Wood frame construction arrived from simplicity. We had a lot of trees, we had some saws, we can cut them into squares, we can build something. The challenge is wood is a natural biodegradable material. It flexes, it can rot, it's food sources for bugs, and it's not the best material to build a structure that's going to last a long period of time. If you look at the best way to build structures, the only thing that still exists 500 years later are masonry products, are stone products. And so an insulated concrete panel like HercuWall has the opportunity to be dimensionally much more flexible, to have all the minimal performance criteria that you have to support a wall in an environment, but to be much more durable, leverage much better air tightness and energy efficiency, and honestly to start leveraging new levels of physics where we use embedded insulated thermal mass to change the way a building consumes energy for the future. So a HercuWall built structure creates an opportunity not only to last longer, but to function better than the wood homes it's replacing. HercuWall is without a doubt one of the most significant opportunities to change for the better the way we build single-family and multifamily residential constructions. We've worked with them in partnership for several years to refine the process to make it competitive on a cost and on a time scale with conventional construction, but it's going to have a much higher performance. And as consumers and supply chains and trades recognize those benefits, we believe that it'll eventually be a full replacement for timber construction.